Have you ever had a week where you did everything right? You went to bed early, you avoided late night scrolling, you tried to be responsible, and you still woke up tired. Not just a little sleepy, foggy, heavy, slightly behind your own eyes. You sit up and your hand goes to coffee or your phone almost automatically, like you need it just to get started. So why are you still waking up drained even on 6 or 7 hours? Here's the strange part. Somewhere else, someone slept the same amount, same 6.5 hours, same busy life, same stress, but they wake up clear. They feel switched on, same input, different outcome. So what's going on? Is it genetics? Is it discipline, or is it something you can actually change? In this video, I'll give you 3 simple principles that make 6 to 7 hours feel dramatically better. You don't need gadgets, you don't need a perfect routine, and you definitely don't need to rebuild your life. Just small changes that make your brain work with you. Because maybe it's not about sleeping more, maybe it's about sleeping smarter. We live in a world that praises push through. People act like waking up tired means you're weak or not trying hard enough. But sleep is your brain's repair mode. It resets focus, mood, memory, and energy. Ignore it and you pay for it. Your focus drops, your mood gets thin, and your output quietly falls apart. So we're not chasing more hours, we're chasing better quality, because quality makes 6 or 7 hours actually count. First principle, anchor the wake. Picture this. Monday, you wake up at 7, Tuesday, 6:30, Wednesday, 8:15, then Saturday, 10:30. Most people call that catching up. But here's the rule. Pick one wake-up time and keep it within 30 minutes, even on weekends. Here's why it works. Your body clock learns patterns. When your wake time swings around, your sleep stages drift with it, and you end up waking in the wrong part of the cycle. That's when you get that awake but not functional feeling. Do this tonight. Choose one wake-up time for the next 7 days. Not a bedtime, a wake time. And in the morning, don't negotiate. One alarm, feet on the floor. What you'll notice is simple, less mental glue, less fog, and you'll start getting sleepy earlier without forcing it. Second principle, light first, dark last. Imagine you wake up and the first light you see is your phone. Then you spend most of the day indoors, and at night you're under bright lights again. Most people think sleep is only about nighttime, but your day controls your night. Here's the rule. Get 10 minutes of outdoor light within 30 minutes of waking, and make the last hour before bed noticeably darker. Why it works. Morning light tells your brain, start the day clock now. That stabilizes your energy through the day, and it helps your body feel sleepy at the right time later. Darkness at night sends the opposite message. Recovery time. Do this tomorrow morning. Step outside for 10 minutes. Balcony, street, doorway. It all counts. Then tonight, make one darkening move. Dim your main lights and keep screens out of your face in the last hour, or at least push them farther away. You'll notice you fall asleep faster, and waking up feels less brutal. Third principle, don't fight the signal. Most people treat morning grogginess like a personal flaw. I'm lazy. I'm not a morning person. I need more discipline. But that grogginess often has a name, sleep inertia. And if you change the meaning, you change the response. Here's the rule. Don't judge it. Run a short activation script. Because inertia is a normal transition state. If you feed it stress and scrolling, it lasts longer. If you feed it light and movement, it clears faster. Do this tomorrow morning. Say, once calmly, this is inertia. It passes. Then do 90 seconds of activation. Drink some water, get light in your eyes, and do 10 slow squats or a brisk walk down the hallway. The result is subtle but real. A calmer brain, cleaner energy, and far less dependence on caffeine to feel normal. Now, don't try to do all three. Pick one principle and use it tonight. Just one. Anchor your wake time, or get morning light and a darker last hour, or run the 90-second activation script. Then tomorrow, notice the difference. A little more calm, a little more clarity, a little less drag. And if this helped, share it with someone who keeps struggling to wake up energized. Because the answer usually isn't more effort. It's a few smart changes done right.